Alright, you guys, right now we're gonna keep it going. Let's give them one. Okay, you guys. So right now, what we have, we're gonna give away the 6 months free insurance. But before that, who remembers turning 21? Now we have somebody turning 21 right now. So let's get them in the front of everybody. And we're all gonna give them 21 hits. So everybody get at them.
What's up, fool? Welcome back to the Low Cal Podcast. What a great event, man.
What's your name, brother?
Bikers. Look at these fucking bikes, dude. Look at this shit.
Give it up for Andrew right here.
Certain months, he telling me, baby, let's do it. Hey, we out here, we doing this shit, we getting it done, baby. Out here for the bike community, out here for the bike community, baby.
We're all gonna do it.
Great event, man.
1,
Lots of
2,
motorcycles,
3.
birthdays.
Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday.
For putting it down and
Cha cha cha.
Thank you so much, Pachuquita, Chana, all the guys from Texas.
everybody that showed up. What a great event, man. In the house.
What's up? It's me.